Good morning. I am Dr.D.Sathya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, soil pollution, because the soil pollution is one of the most critical environmental issue of our day-to-day life. It occurs when harmful substances such as chemicals, industrial waste or plastics released into the soil and making it unfit for the agriculture. So the soil pollution is the very important, it's a major crucial problem for in day-to-day life. It's a healthy soil is the foundation of the food production and water purification and ecological balance. When soil is damaged, the entire lifestyle will be get disturbed. So therefore, understanding the causes, effect and preventive measures of soil pollution is the essential for building a sustainable future. So the causes of soil pollution, the causes of soil pollution is the three types on the industrial activities and agriculture practices and urbanization. In industrial activities, the factories or release some heavy metals like lead, cadmium, mercury and oils and solvent. This is also very important cause for soil pollution. The second one, for example, Tantari, the industrial in Tamil Nadu, pollute the groundwater into the soil. The second one, agriculture practices, some pesticides and fertilizers cause the nitrate accumulation. So we are using for some nitrate fertilizers in soil. It will be it's caused the nitrate accumulation, the groundwater contaminations. The monoculture farming depicts the solids and encourages some chemical dependency. So it's very important cause. And urbanization, dumping of plastics and construction some materials and sewage, and landfill for leach the toxic substance into the soil. And so these are very important thing for causes of soil pollution. Is it will be climate change and how urban heat installed, and it's for the soil quality. Effects of soil pollution. So it's reduced some soil fertility. It's a nutrient imbalance. So the crops can't be grow well. So the economic losses for farmers. So it's a reduced soil fertility and health risk. Explain how the bio accumulation and works. Crops absorb the toxins, human consume them, and the cancer, some skin disease and respiratory toxins. So these are some health risk. It's some food grown into the polluted soil can accumulate the harmful chemicals. So this is the effect of soil pollution. The biodiversity loss, microorganisms die and disturbing the soil ecology. Some food webs of the collapse, some earthworms, insects and birds. So the resulting into the extinction of the sensitive species. The preventive measures, so the waste management for segregation and composting and recycling of industrial and urban waste can be prevent soil the contamination, and regulatory politics of community monitoring of waste disposal and the waste management, segregation, composting and recycling. For example, using municipal solid waste to generate the biogas. So the biogas is also the useful for other purposes, some cooking purposes also. So soil pollution cycle, sources and second one, pathways and effects. Sources were imagine the pesticides are sprayed into the crops, the rain causes the runoff and enter to the soil and groundwater. The human drink the contaminated water. So the stress how the soil, water and air pollution are interconnected. So you know about that. And some imagine the pesticides are sprayed into the crops, and rain causes the runoff and enter into the soil groundwater, and human drink the contaminated water. So the all thing it will be interconnected. So the the preservative stages, the identify sources. First one, the in pollution, we can identify the pollution sources. The second one, enforce the regulations. The third one is improve the waste management and sustainable practices. So how the multiple level of collaboration, the government, industrial and farmers, public is the essential. And mention the economic level of model, it's a long term solutions. Significance of addressing some soil pollutions. Soil pollutions is poses the significant threat to the environmental pollution. For human health, it's a contaminated soil and also the contaminated food. It will be risk for human health. In environmental, the ecosystems is collapse, and collective action, the school, colleges and communities can adapt the green practices. So we can save our soil and save our life. So thank you.